Well, I've got up here this morning and somebody's murdered my car. Looks like its throat's been cut. Well, I know they've got cattle on this farm, but I think they slaughtered the wrong one. Oh well, here we go. Right, radiator back in first. Right, and the last one. That's the radiator back in. Lovely. Sorted, George. Right, that's the rad done. Next on the agenda is the voltage regulator. That's a new one. Sorted, George. I don't trust this. I ain't got a clue what this plastic thing is. Doesn't look like it's got a good earth. I know the battery's not charging. I'm only getting about 11.5 volts whilst the engine's running, so I'm going to change that over. I've had it go out before on another car. So what the hell is that? That's the brake thing. Hang on. Yeah. What's that? Why on earth isn't that on? Oh, that's another job. Right, let's crack on. Right, getting all the crap out of here. I'm just using a little tiny Phillips screwdriver, just to try and get down in the hole, just to clean out the edge. That's pretty good. And what I've done, I've just given that a good clean up down there. So hopefully we should now get a good connection on that one. Sorted, George. Right, let's get on with this, shall we? Got two different sizes. We've got a 7/16 down the bottom. Crikey, that was loose. Well, that doesn't help things, does it? I thought these things are supposed to be earthed through the body. Looks like some plastic cheapo Chinese thing. Ignition. Sorted, George. That'll do. What I've done, I've had to re-drill two new holes because these were a little bit on the big side, starting to get a bit threaded. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the original regulator because it looked like it wasn't working properly because it had a bad earth. So we'll give that a go, give that a clean up, and give that a go. If not, well, like I say, I got my brand new one. So yeah, sorted, George. Right, I've put the old one back in. So we'll have to, and that's nice and tight now, so we'll see if we get a good earth. Radiator's topped up. Obviously we all know about the slight little leak down there. I gave that a quick repaint, just so it wasn't grey. Just got to connect the battery up and obviously put the old radiator cap on. Right, let's see. A nice strong oil light, good. And let's try the... Look at that, sorted. That's alright, that works now. Alright, see if she fires up. I want to watch that alternator. What have I done? Obviously something ain't right. That's on, that's on. I found it. me being a plonker working down here, I've gone and knocked one of the leads off of the ballast resistor here. Come to me, come to me. There you go. Right, let's give that a go. Not quite enough. I think that might be on its way out, so I'm going to put the new voltage regulator in and we'll see how we go. Right, new one on. Let's give that a start, and I want to see what that battery's doing with that alternator. Straight away the amp meter on the dash has just gone straight up, which, well, not straight up, but you know what I mean, it's gone past the middle, so that's one good sign. So that is charging the battery at least. Putting in the new spark plugs. It's about time they went in, as you do. Right, new spark plugs in. Let's give that a go. Might even run a bit better. You never know. If it will start. At least it's running better. That's just with spark plugs. So with George. Well, how about that? Slam it in. It stopped. Silly bugger. All right, can you show me? There's obviously a loose wire underneath here. There must be. There's got to be a loose wire. Something's wrong with that switch. Well, how about that for headlights then? Ready? That's better. Oh yeah, that's definitely charging now. So George. Take your foot off and let it tick over and it slows down. That's a natural for this age. There we got them on the front as well. That's good. Yeah, that's good. hanging, even better. So we're just trying to go out, it's getting dark.